How to tag a page in a Facebook post. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can tag a page in Facebook post. Now, if you open up the Facebook app and here on What's in Your Mind, you'll be able to tag people. However, you can't tag a page in a Facebook post, but what you can do is mention them. Now, on your status, what you can do is type in @ and type in the name of the group. You can see I'll type in the group and their name will pop up here, and you can tap in that or select the particular page and they will be mentioned in your post. However, if you want to mention them on your already existing post, what you can do is head over to your profile or your post that you want, any post you can tag them in, and then head over to particular post, and what you want to do is tap on the three dots on the post and tap on edit post, and then on edit post what you want to do is on write something, type in @ and then the name of the page right here, and then you'll be able to select the page, tap on the page, and then it'll be mentioned in your video. So this way you can mention them in the post, or if you want to mention them in the comment, what you can do is tap on comments and again type in @ and then name of the page, and they'll pop up here, and select it and they'll be mentioned here. So this way you can tag a page in Facebook post. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.